Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Today we will be focusing on the best deals you can find at the Sephora sale. You will either get 10 or 15% off depending on your reward status, but all the details of the sale will be listed down below, as well as the items in the future video coming up. This first kit is a necessity for any lipstick lover like myself. It includes a liquid lipstick, gloss, lipstick, and a lip balm, so all the bases are covered in this kit. It's an array of finishes from matte to high shine, and it includes a full-size lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, as well as 5 deluxe samples from Bite Beauty, Grande Cosmetics, Kat Von D, Tarte, and Urban Decay. This next kit is an amazing deal for the money. It is a kit including a full size, a travel size, and 14 deluxe sample sizes of Sephora's favorite sun care products, including mists, creams, masks, and facial pads. Some of the brands include Lancome, Coola, Clinique, Drunk Elephant, Fresh, and Peter Thomas Roth, just to name a few. Sephora will also donate $25 from the sale of each kit to skin cancer research and education. This set is for those of you who suffer from acne like myself. This set includes a 0.67 ounce jar of the Saturn Sulfur Acne Treatment Mask, 0.5 ounces of the UFO Ultra Clarifying Face Oil, as well as 1.7 ounces of the Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. For number 4 on the list, we have a Makeup Guru staple, the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Cream. For this kit, you get to pick your CC cream shade, and you will also receive a free mini secret sauce, a mini stretch volumizing mascara, and sample packets of Confidence in a Cleanser and Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. Coming in at number 5 on the list is the Head Over Heels set by Benefit Cosmetics. This is a full face makeup kit that comes with 4 full-size Benefit bestsellers. This kit includes the Professional Face Primer, High Brow Highlight and Lip Pencil, the Real Mascara, and Hoola Matte Bronzer. Coming in at number 6 is another great deal for the money. It is the Becca Bronze Blush Highlight Kit. This kit includes a full-size Sunlit Bronzer and Bronze Bondi, as well as a full-size Luminous Blush in Snapdragon. This kit also includes a shimmering skin perfector in Opal. Next up, we have the Iconic Hair Cult Classics collection. This collection is perfect for straight, wavy, or curly hair. And some of the key benefits that it offers is that it cleanses and refreshes while adding shine and volume. Some brands included in this collection are Living Proof, Bumble and Bumble, Way, Dry Bar, and Moroccanoil. Coming in at number 8 with another amazing deal is the Power of the Petal collection. This is perfect for skin types normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive. It is a 9-piece set of skincare essentials for a day-to-night regimen, perfect for dryness, dullness and uneven texture, and fine lines and wrinkles. Some of the brands included in this kit are Drunk Elephant, Pharmacy, Fresh, and IT Cosmetics. One of the best values on this list is the Peter Thomas Roth Maskaholic Kit. It is perfect for the skin types normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive. It is a portable kit with a mask for every task. It includes a cucumber gel mask, 24 karat gold mask, an Irish Moor mud mask, and a pumpkin enzyme mask. And last on the list, but certainly not least, is the Perfume Sampler from Sephora. It includes 17 samples of some of the most sought after women's perfumes. Some of the brands in this kit include Atelier, Chloe, Dolce & Gabbana, Giorgio Armani, Gucci, and Marc Jacobs, just to name a few. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you back soon. Have fun shopping the Sephora sale, and I hope this list made it a lot easier to pick and choose what you're going to get. See you next time, guys. Bye!